to today's vlog. I'm super excited for today. Not only is it absolutely freaking amazing outside. Alexa, what's the weather outside?
It's 63 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today.
I don't know why she stopped, but it is everything. And today is Mila's first birthday pictures. She'll be 1 in a little less than, let's see, like a week and a day, or 2 weeks. I don't know. I can't keep up with with days and weeks and time and all that. Feels like just yesterday we were getting her newborn pictures done. She was maybe like a week old, I think, then. So this is just like everything's just coming like full circle, and I wanted to make sure that I captured this day because we captured those pictures on that day. So I thought it would just be a really cool thing for her to have when she got older. But she's napping right now. She should be like coming up on the end of her nap. I just went to town and just looked around. I was actually trying to look for her some tights because we were not expecting it to be cool today, and her little cake smashing outfit is not technically like cool weather appropriate. She is a very hot natured child, so I don't think she's going to get cold or anything because she won't be in it very long. But you know, being a mama, you just want to be like super prepared. In the meantime, I know I switched rooms, so it's gonna, I know it looks complete, but it's always so orange in our bedroom because of the warm whatever. You see how bright daylight, and then all the windows are closed in here. But I wanted to show you what I've been working on. I still have this. I hadn't started this yet because I needed to get another one of those. And let me tell you, I actually think it would have been smarter because it wouldn't have been as heavy if I would have just done just the streamers, hung this up first, and then done the streamer. So it's not staying here. This is just the biggest spot in the house that I had to do it ahead of time so that when the party comes, all I have to do is just hang this up. So there will be a balloon arch over this. This is just like a little backdrop kind of situation. It'll be behind her when she's eating her cake at her birthday party. I plan on doing like a whole birthday party, like ultimate birthday party prep for y'all. I have been loving planning everything, and I'm working with a balloon place. So I'm super excited to share that with y'all. But I've just found this pink this morning, and this is the pink that I've been looking for because this, oh gosh, as much as I love this pink, as you look at it in the roll, it looks white when you hang it up. So it was like the pink was totally washed out, and I wanted the pink to pop. So as the wind sort of blows, you'll see the colorful like iridescent behind it. So all I have left to do is, I think I might either put up another thing of that light pink or the purple. I don't want purple to be like super, I want it to kind of be like a really slight accent color. I can't wait for y'all to see the theme and all the things. It's going to be a surprise for the birthday party prep video and all that. I figured I would let y'all see me work on this a little bit before she wakes up. Explain a little bit of what I did because I know I shared like a little clip of it on Instagram. Some of you said something along the lines of, hey, we're party planning too, how did you do that? So wanted to share it. I kind of found it on Pinterest, or I seen something and my mind started like, oh, like that's just that easy. So you need masking tape. That is like the big thing. This is a really, really cheap, affordable backdrop idea because those little spools of streamers, they're actually cheaper to get at Walmart. You get just a really big one. It's like 170 feet or something for 98 cents. But they have double packs at Dollar Tree, of course, for $1. But they equal up to like 140, something like that. It's less streamer for 2 cents more. So it kind of makes you think like, oh, I'm getting 2 of them. But no, if you look at it, it's cheaper to get it at Walmart. So get them at Walmart, and you can actually add them into your grocery pickup order. And I also added my masking tape in. So you get your masking tape, and what you're going to do is you're going to figure out the size and the height of your area that you want to do, and then you'll take the masking tape, sticky side out, and then you'll tape it down. So the sticky side will be out. You need somebody to kind of help you with this, maybe not. Tape it down, go to the other side, tape it down, and you will just literally stick your streamers, and you kind of want to overlap them a little bit. because they only need about half the streamer to be touching it. They're really light. It's just tissue paper, and the masking tape is pretty sticky. And there you go. So you can see this side's already done, and I'm going to do this side, but instead of putting that iridescent streamer behind it, that's really like one of those little door curtains, I'm going to wait until we install it outside for the party. I kind of wish, like I said, I would have done that for the other side, but I've already done it now and I don't feel like redoing it. So each spool, I end up using what, 4 colors, $4. The tape was maybe $2. Super cheap backdrop.
Say hey. Can you tell them hey? Say hey everybody. Yeah. Say hey everybody.
It's picture day.
Alright, I think I'm in here overthinking stuff, so I actually do think it will be warmer today. Well, the sun is out compared to what it was yesterday. So.
The wind's up.
Yeah, I know, but either way, we'll be good to go. Amelia, you ready to get dressed? I normally already have her dressed for today, but because it was a little nippy this morning, I figured I'd let her chill out in her jammies a little longer. Here's her little cake eating outfit. I'll link it below. It was like $13, which is exactly what I wanted for a cake eating outfit, because once she's done with it, I'm chunking it. And then she's going to wear her little freshly picked mocks. Y'all, she's got the smallest little feet. These are size 1, which are like technically 0 to 3 months. And here's a little bow, also from Amazon. It came in a set of 3. Thought that was cute as heck. But today she's going to wear this because I'm scared if I don't let her go ahead and wear this overalls, they're going to be too little. Because I tried them on her yesterday and whew, it was a struggle. So we're going to wear this. Oh, you can say hey. Who's there? Who is there? Can you say hey? What you want for lunch?
Hey!
Them teeth.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Here's my OOTD. These overalls are cut small because technically I think these are like 12 months and she wears 6 to 9 months. Because the little onesie, the little bodysuit she's got on up under it is a 6 month. She's gonna, this is dual purpose outfit. Teether and an outfit. It has the little knotted tops on it. It's real cute. What do you want to do? Booby time. first time I made this cake, I did not add banana in it. I kind of made this recipe up after looking at a ton of them and they just weren't exactly what I wanted. So I will put this recipe down below. This is a no sugar cake, so only natural sugars are coming from banana. I did add a little bit of banana today just to sweeten it up a little bit more for her. And the applesauce is unsweetened, which means it doesn't have any added sugar. So she's still going to get the natural sugars from apples. So I've already made a test run of this to make sure she would eat it. She loved it. So I got all of those. Now I'm just going to add our dry ingredients and then put them in here with the whip. All the cakes are out of the oven. The consistency of the cake batter is different than regular cake, so it is more bready like. So you have to smooth it out because however position it's in the cake pan, that's how it's going to cook. It doesn't like, you know. I did make frosting and I did a little different this time. I did banana instead of applesauce and I didn't really measure it. I just know the banana's naturally sweeter than an apple. So I did go ahead and whip that up. Heavy whipping cream, cream cheese, pumpkin spice, and banana. I know it sounds weird, but I tasted it and it was pretty good. That banana is really giving it that really light sweetness. Of course she's going to eat it. So I'm going to let this chill and let the layers cool, and then I'll assemble it and then place the whole cake in the fridge and just let it sort of become one. Isn't it cute? I mean, it's not your traditional cake, but I didn't want it. I wanted it very natural looking. And here's her little cake topper. I'm gonna leave it in there because I don't want anything to happen to it.
That's right. I become. Take it away.
Take it
If you can
away.
deliver Christmas to the whole world in one night, then I can certainly steal it. Come on. What's Santa have that I don't?
Did you just finish your snack? I'm up here, honey. Why you act like you don't see me? I ain't invisible. Ooh. So I'm gonna wear the shirts that we wore for our Christmas pictures because we didn't take many of them because it was raining that day. And this kind of matches her little romper thing. I mean, I'm probably gonna be in one picture. So I just wanted to have something nice. Oh, I see you over there, girl. Just wanted to have something decent on. Figure out something else with this head, and I slapped on a little bit of makeup. I don't know, I feel like I got too much face showing. I put her dress on now since she had a snack and some water. And I'm gonna wet her hair and brush it down. Oh, so it'll lay down. Because if not, it's just gonna, it's gonna flip everywhere. Are you excited? You get to eat cake. Who is that baby? Who is that baby?
I don't want this to be so big.
Yeah.
Sugar. Clear you out a flat spot.
What are you doing? She said,
You can't feel that grass now.
that straw's touching my leg. It's a touching my leg. He's a touching your leg.
We know better.
Now you know she ain't gonna sit there.
Where are you putting it?
She will sit there, I'm saying, but for this long
Well,
while
I know
she's...
that.
Oh. Are you ready to smile pretty?
Hey, what's up?
She don't know what to think. This is the longest she's ever sit still before.
Honey, I know how to act foolish. So now I can
girl.
get other people's kids to listen, but I can't get mine to.
Hey.
Mila!
Yay! Yay!
There you go.
That's so cute!
No, stay there. Stay there.
Yay!
Pretty baby.
Way to go!
Yay, Mila!
Way to go!
Uh-oh.
Go ahead, girl. Yay! Good job. So good. So your back is gonna go this way, and your feet's gonna point straight out this way. I know you can.
Mommy's nose.
Oh no, is it out of daddy? Is that a daddy?
They
Say
always
daddy.
do rub noses.
Say daddy should have took a shower.
I don't know. I told him.
What's going on with yours?
That's what yours.
Bob.
What? Who's Bob?
Who's Bob? Who is Bob? I'd really like to know.
You gonna stand up? She said, that's Bob. It's Bob.
That don't.
Bob's our alter ego.
Oh my goodness! Look at her. Hey,
She said, but I'm hungry.
hey, buddy.
Yay! Wash your hands. Hey, look. Oh no. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
It's over now.
What's that, baby?
Uh-oh.
Oh, what's that?
She said the one's in my way. Look.
Get it, Daddy. Get that one out that baby's way.
Ooh, the wind. Oh gosh.
Have you watched Rosie and
Lady ate her food.
yeah.
She is. I'm in love. She's like,
How in the world she do that?
She ain't gonna get up to eat it no other way.
She'll show you how you get this. I'm eating it.
How do you zoom in on this thing?
she's got it all in her eyes.
What's that? What you got? It is lunchtime or dinner time, ain't it?
There you go.
Is it?
Just the eat it, gal. Thank you.
Bless you.
Yay!
Get your piece. I forgot I had it in the refrigerator, so it's kind of.
Oh, the cake.
Yeah. It's not as soft and grabbable. Be careful, Daddy.